so bulletproof.
This one's really cute. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. I post cleaning, organizing, lifestyle videos, and sometimes I post vlogs too. Spring is sprung finally here in New Zealand, and I'm so excited to get rid of our winter clothes and embrace the warmth of the sun. Let's start by loading some laundry in the washer. So this week we're going to the laundromat to use the dryer, so I have to wash all of these laundry today so that my husband can take it and drop it to the laundromat on his way to work tomorrow.
We gon' have to get that right. Please fall back into these thighs.
Also, I have been taking notes about your advice on my previous laundry routine video. Some of you noted about the heating system of our washing machine, so I started to use warm water already. Thank you guys for your feedbacks, and they truly helped a lot. I love having feedbacks from you guys because honestly, I love learning new stuff every day.
She don't fake, but she my mate, yeah, yeah. I don't wait, get it made, yeah, yeah. Get her paid, but she my stay, yeah, yeah. Make her wait, pop it away, yeah, yeah. She don't fake, but she my mate, yeah, yeah.
Since we're transitioning to a new season, I believe it's just right to deep clean this sofa. I'm using baking soda to clean it, and you know how much I love incorporating baking soda in my cleaning. It's so cheap and effective to use at the same time. It is a good deodorizer, so I use it to clean my fridge, the sofa, and our carpet. By the way, I want to make a video discussing the cleaning products that I love to use. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see that, and I'll definitely make it.
We gon' have to get that right. Please fall back into these thighs. We cruise under different skies. Take your hand, take you right. I'm the one, yeah, and you know that girl. Listen up, babe, take control of the world. Yeah, hope that you know, babe.
I don't wait, get it made, yeah, yeah. Get her paid, but she my stay, yeah, yeah. Make her wait, pop it away, yeah, yeah. She don't fake, but she my mate, yeah, yeah. I don't wait, get it made, yeah, yeah. Get her paid, but she my stay, yeah, yeah. Make her wait, pop it away, yeah, yeah. She don't fake, but she my mate, yeah, yeah.
Don't smile, you know I hate it that you're so fine. No stare, you use your weapons like it ain't fair. When you making me go crazy. No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. My heart ain't never been so out of control. Oh, na na.
I also decided to wipe the corners of our kitchen counter today since I always skip doing it. We only have a very small kitchen and a very few cabinets, so our kitchen counter can be a little crowded.
You got me feeling physical. I try to play it cool, but boy, I'm on fire. And I like back when I told you you're not my side. Now you're making me go crazy. No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. No, I ain't never been so vulnerable. Oh, na na, you're making me so mad. You tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. I'm feeling physical. You got me feeling physical. Oh, I know you're feeling it too. Oh, come here, boy, let me feel it with you. Oh, na na, you're making me so mad. You tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. I'm feeling physical.
After letting the baking soda settle, I'm going to vacuum the couch first, then I'm going to proceed with vacuuming the floor. After this, I'm going to start decorating our house for the spring season. Stay tuned until the end of this video to see it.
Don't smile, you know I hate it that you're so fine. No stare, you use your weapons like it ain't fair. You're making me go crazy. No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. My heart ain't never been so out of control. Oh, na na, you're making me so mad. You tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. I'm feeling physical. You got me feeling physical. I try to play it cool, but boy, I'm on fire. And I like back when I told you you're not my side. You're making me go crazy. No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. No, I ain't never been so vulnerable. Oh, na na, you're making me so mad. You tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. I'm feeling physical. You got me feeling physical. I know you're feeling it too.
Hi guys! Since it's already spring, I bought these potted flowers at the bunning store, and if you can see, they're really very pretty. I chose this, I don't know what color this is, but this is it's like orangey, reddish flower, and this one is a golden yellow flower. So they're really very beautiful, and I have 3 of them. My husband is yet to create a wooden box for these plants because I have to water them every day, and I will also be putting them out in the sun every day. But for now, I'm going to put them in this cute little tray. I was planning to put a different one in this tray, but for now, I'm going to put it here. And alright, look, it's so cute. This one's really cute. By the way, I got these flowers for 90 cents each at the Bunning store, and you know me, I love cheap finds. I also bought this family sign and this cute tray at the dollar store. I love going to the dollar store and any cheap stores for that matter. I will say that I still want to put more decors to really experience the spring season. As for now, this will do. So, before I show you the rest of the house, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like it.
It's a little thing, but I'm tired of acting like I'm not hopeless. Show me where your heart is, I'm hoping you can say the words I need to hear. Tell me you want me time to get acquainted, lady. I ain't saying I'ma say, but if we could spend a Saturday, I'll show you. You just need